Today we will do some important problems which are very much important for our repetitive examination. This is problem number 16. Problem number 16. The question is two smooth circular cylinders, each of weight 100 Newton, radius 6 m. This is 100 Newton, this is 100 Newton, this is 6 m, this is 6 m. Are connected by at the centers string AB. The center A, the center B. This is connected by string AB. The length of AB is 16 cm. And supported above them a third cylinder of weight 200 Newton, radius 6 m. Now the system is in equilibrium condition. The two rollers A and B, this roller C, all are in this equilibrium condition. The question is find what force in string AB and what is the pressures at point D and what point E. The question is find the force in the bar AB. What force in bar AB and the pressures produced at the floor D and E. What is the pressure? What is the reaction at D? What is the reaction at E? We already told you action and reaction both are equal and opposite. In this figure, the three weights are action: 100 Newton, 200 Newton, 100 Newton. All the 400 Newton are action. At the same time, another force acting from floor to upwards, that is reaction. That means clear. Question is clear. Two smooth circular cylinders, each of weight 100 Newton, radius 6 m, are placed on the horizontal plane, smooth horizontal plane, and support above them a third cylinder of weight 200 Newton, same radius. What force is string AB and what is the force at D and what is the force at E? What is the pressure at D and what is the pressure at E? Clear? The reactions at D and E. Let this is RD, reaction RD. This is RE, reaction RE. Clear? Let RD is equal to pressure or reaction at D. RE is equal to pressure or reaction at E. Now the figure is in equilibrium condition. For equilibrium condition, we will apply two equations. Number one, sigma x is 0. Number two, summation y is equal to 0. These two equations we will apply. In this figure, all are y-axis. This upward force, these three are downward force. Now, sigma y is equal to 0. So this RD plus RE is equal to 100 plus 200 plus 100. Clear? RD plus RE is equal to 100 plus 200 plus 100. So what is RD plus RE is equal to 400 Newton. Equation 1. Clear? Now we can take moment of A or B, but distance are not given, and we are not reading about moment chapter. So we will apply the force equilibrium method. Due to symmetry, tell me, this is 100 Newton, this is 100 Newton. This 200 Newton will equally divide in both rollers. If this side is more, the roller will move this one. If that side will move more, the roller will try to move this side. So this string AB will not keep this system in equilibrium condition. So to make this system in equilibrium, this 200 Newton of force equal divided into in A and in B. That means RD is equal to RE, 200 Newton. Clear? This system is in equilibrium condition. This 100 Newton, this 100 Newton. The 200 Newton of force roller C can be equally two parts. This side 100 Newton, that side 100 Newton. So at A, RD is equal to 100 plus 100, 200. For roller B, RE is equal to 100 plus 100, 200. So RD is equal to RE is equal to 200 Newton. Clear? Next, RD is equal to RE is equal to 200. This answer, one answer. Now we'll find out what force in AB. Now you see at this contact, join all the centers. This is 6M, this is 6M, this is 6M, this is 6M, this is 16M. Clear? Now this equal divided into two parts, AM, PM. So this is 8cm, this is 8cm. Clear? From figure, suppose this angle alpha. Predict alpha. First find out the value of alpha. You will first find out what is value of alpha. In this triangle ACM, triangle ACM, what is cos alpha? B by H, AM by AC, 8 by 12, 4 2 4 3, 2 by 3. What is cos alpha is equal to 2 by 3. Clear? What is alpha is equal to? Cos inverse 2 by 3. This may be 48.18 degree. Alpha is equal to. What is alpha is equal to? 48.18 degree. Clear? Now, come to figure. RD is RE. Now, at this point, there is a reaction R, this is also reaction R. Both are equal opposite. If this force is more than this, it can push upwards. If this force is more than this R, it can push downward. So maintain equilibrium condition. Both reactions must be neutralize each other. That means this both reactions are equal and opposite. At this point also, this is R, this is R. All forces are equal and opposite. So first to find out what is R. Now, see, this is R, this is R. Clear? This is R means this is R. Clear? What is this force? This is alpha means this angle alpha. This angle alpha means this angle alpha. Clear? At point A, at point A, let S is equal to at point A. This is point A. This is point A. Clear? Now we'll find out what force in AB. Suppose this is force S. This is force S. Clear? What is S is equal to? Force in AB. S is equal to force in the bar AB. Clear? At A, weight is weighted downwards. This is weight W. Weight 100 Newton. This is RD. What is RD? 200 Newton. Clear? This is S. To find out. This is R. R. What is this angle? Alpha. Clear? This is a RD 200 Newton, W 100 Newton, S force in AB, reaction R. First find out both R and S. Now we'll first find R. This y axis, x axis. Resolve R. What is this force? R cos alpha. This force R sin alpha. Clear? Now first find out what is R. Then equating x axis, you can find out S. Clear? So first equating y, sigma y is 0. So y is equal to 0. What is RT is equal to? This plus this. So 200 is equal to 100 plus R sin alpha. Clear? So what is R sin alpha is equal to? 200 minus 100. 100 Newton. What is R is equal to? 100 by sin alpha. 100 by sin 48.18. So what is R is equal to? This may be 134.18. 134.18 Newton. Use calculator to find out. You can find out this is 134.18 Newton. Clear? Sigma x is 0. X. This is equal to this. What is S is equal to? R cos alpha. What is R? 134.18 cos 48.18. Clear? This may be S is equal to, what is the answer? 89.47 Newton or 89.5 Newton. Clear? This answer. It is very important question for a BPUT examination. All first year students should clearly understand this. You can find this question in BPUT exam. Clear? The question is, two identical rollers each of weight 100 Newton. This 100 Newton, this 100 Newton are supported by an inclined plane and vertical wall. Find the reaction at the support A, B, C. Clear? The question is two identical rollers. Identical means equal weight, equal radius. Equal, both are equal in any respect. Are placed between an inclined plane and vertical wall, both making angle 60 degree with each other. Now the system is in equilibrium condition and they are supported at point A, B, C. What is the reaction at A? What is the reaction at B? What is the reaction at C? Clear? This is also very important question for BPUT examination. Sure short question. This is also important for GATE. All competitive tough competitive examination. So clearly understand this. Let RA is equal to reaction at A, RB is equal to reaction at B, RC is equal to reaction at C. Clear? Suppose this point D, this point D. So there must be reaction at D. Okay? RD is equal to reaction at B. Clear? Now, this is roller 1, this is roller 2. Clear? This is O1, this is equal to center O2. Join two centers. The axis is parallel to this axis. What is this angle? 30 degree. Clear? 60, 30. Now, this is RA. What is RA? This is RA. Clear? What is this angle? 9 degree. 9 degree. So this angle 30, 60 degree. So this is parallel, this is same line, this is parallel to each other. So what is this angle? 60 degree. Clear? So this is RB. This is RB. So what is this angle? 90. This is 30. So this is angle 60 degree. This is angle 60 degree. Corresponding angle 60 degree corresponding angle, 60 degree corresponding angle. Clear? RA, RB. This is RC 9 degree. This force, this is plane RB normal to the plane. This is normal to the plane. Plane normal 9 degree. This is 9 degree. This is 9 degree. This is also 9 degree. Clear? So this is RC. This is RC. This is RA, RB, RC. Again another reaction RD. This is point D. Clear? A D, RD, this is RD. Both are equal opposite. Both reaction must be equal opposite. To maintain the system in equilibrium, these two RD reaction must be equal opposite. If this is more, this will push toward this side. If this RD more, it will push upward. So both RD must be equal opposite to each other. Now, this force RD, clear? This is force RD. So for roller 1, this is RD. For roller 2, this is RD. Both RD are equal opposite to each other. Now, what is this angle? This is parallel to this. This is parallel to this. So what is this angle? 30 degree. So what is this angle? 30. This angle? 30. Clear? Clear? So this is 30 means alternate angle. 30 alternate angle. Okay. Now take roller 1, then roller 2. First take roller 1 because roller 1, 2 in roller 1 there are two unknowns. One is RD unknown, second is RA unknown. Roller 2, 3 unknowns. RB, RC, RD. So first take roller 1. It is advisable to take roller 1. Clear? Roller 1. Roller 1, two unknowns. Two unknowns. Number 1, RA. Number 2, RD. Roller 1. For roller 2, 3 unknowns. Number 1, RB. 2, RC. 3, RD. Clear? For roller 1, 2 unknowns. For roller 2, 3 unknowns. But we have only two equations. Number 1, sigma x 0, sigma y 0. So using these two equations, two unknowns can be find out, not 3. So it is advisable to take roller 1, find out RA and RD, apply this RD in equation 2, roller 2, you can find out RC and RD. Clear? So take roller 1. Why I am taking roller 1, not roller 2? This is the question answer. Why I am taking roller 1 but not taking roller 2 first? This answer, because roller 1 has two unknowns. So two unknowns can you find out from two equations of equilibrium, that is sigma x 0, sigma y 0. Three equations cannot be find out using this equation. This is a system of coplanar and concurrent forces. So only this equation can be useful, utilize. Roller 2, 3 unknowns. We have 3 unknowns. So 3 unknowns cannot be find out this equation using this equation. So first take roller 1. Clear? This is a very important question. Roller 1. Clear? For roller 1, this is RD, this is R, Array, this is Q, the 100 Newton. What is Q is equal to? 100 Newton. Okay. This angle 30 degree. This angle 60 degree. This is what this angle? 60. This is 30. This angle 90. This angle 90. Clear? Now, what this angle? 120. What this angle? 150. This angle 90. Clear? 120, 150, 90. You can apply Lem's theorem. This point A, this point O1, 1, O1. Okay. Apply Lem's theorem. Apply Lem's theorem. Clear? Now RD by sin 150, RA by sin 120, 100 by sin 90. Clear? This is Lem's theorem. What is Lem's theorem? Again I will draw the figure. This is RA, this is RD, this is 100. Clear? O1. So what is this angle? 9 degree. This angle 120. This angle 150. All three angles will constitute 360 degree. Hala? RA, RD, 100. So, using Lem's theorem, RA by sin 120, RD by sin 150, 100 by sin 90. Clear? Now, equal to these two. What is RA is equal to? 100 into sin 120 by sin 90. What is sin 120? Root 382, 0.866. What is sin 90? 1. What is RA is equal to? 86.6 Newton. Answer. Clear? Equating these two, equating these two. So RD by sin 150 is equal to 100 by sin 90. What is sin 90? 1. What is sin 150? Half. Clear? So what is RD is equal to 100 into half. So RD is equal to 2 Newton. Answer. Clear? So what is Ra is equal to 86.6 Newton. What is Rd is equal to 50 Newton. Clear? Now we'll go to roulette 2. Roulette 2. Roulette 2. Roulette 2. Roulette 2. This is 2 roller. O2. This is RC. RC. This is RB. 60 degree. RB 60 degree. This is RC. This is RD 30 degree. RD. Clear? Weight W. This weight Q 100 Newton. Clear? We have already answered RD is equal to 50 Newton. Now you can find RB and RC by using sigma x0, sigma y0. Clear? So two unknowns can you find out by using two equations. Resolve. This RB, what is this force? RB cos 60. What is this force? RB sin 60. Clear? This is RD. So what is this force? RD cos 30. What is this force? RD sin 30. Clear? Now we will first equate sigma y, because in sigma y this is upward force, this is downward force, this is downward force. 100 known, RD is known, so RB can be find out easily. So first equating sigma y. Now sigma y0. What is sigma y? RB sin 60. RB sin 60 is equal to 100 plus RD sin 30. So RB into what is sin 60? 0.866. 100 plus RD 15 to half is equal to 125. So what is RB is equal to 125 by 0.866. RB. You can find out RB is equal to, this means RB is equal to 144.34 Newton. You solve using calculator, you can find out RB is equal to 144.34 Newton. Clear? Now sigma x is 0. X is 0. Clear? In X, this is unknown force. Is RB known force? RD known force. Okay. So what is RC is equal to? RB cos 60 plus RD cos 30. Clear? What is RB? 144.34 into what is cos 60? Half. What is RD? 50 into What is cos 60? Cos 30? 0.866 RC. So you will use calculator to find out value of RC. Okay. What is the value of RC? Anyone? This value may be 115.47 Newton. Clear? Value is 115.47 Newton. So our answer is RA, RB, RC and RD. What is RB? What is RB is equal to 144.34 Newton. Okay. Our answer is find the reaction at A, B, C and D. These two questions are very important questions. You follow carefully and solve your own using calculator. If any doubt, you can ask me. Okay? Thank you.